Before you buy local AI, you need to hear this first. Because this AI software claims it can help you find local clients, create AI-powered services, and potentially generate income from local businesses. But here's the real question. Is local AI actually a powerful opportunity, or just another overhyped AI tool? In this honest local AI review, I'll break down exactly what it is, how it works, the real benefits, and how you can get my exclusive bonuses if you decide to use it. Let's get into it. If you've been seeing all the hype around AI tools helping people create services, generate leads, and work with local businesses, this review will help you understand whether local AI is worth your time. This is a real breakdown. No hype, just facts. What is local AI? Local AI is a cloud-based AI software platform designed to help users create AI-powered solutions for local businesses, such as content generation, business automation, client services, marketing assistance, and lead generation support. Instead of needing technical skills, coding, or complex setups, local AI simplifies everything into one dashboard. This makes it accessible even for beginners. Inside local AI, how it works. Inside the local AI dashboard, you'll find tools designed to help you create AI-powered content, generate business solutions, assist local companies with marketing tasks, and provide digital services powered by AI. The interface is beginner-friendly, clean, and easy to navigate. Everything runs in the cloud, no downloads or technical setup required. This allows users to start quickly. Benefits. Why people are using local AI. Here's why local AI is getting attention. Beginner-friendly. No coding or technical skills required. AI-powered automation. AI handles repetitive tasks faster. Works from anywhere. Fully cloud-based platform. Growing demand. Local businesses increasingly use AI-powered services. Scalable opportunity. You can use it for personal projects or service-based work. This is why AI SaaS tools like this are becoming popular. Now, results always depend on how you use the tool and your effort. Local AI provides tools, not guarantees. But one important thing is, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test the platform and decide if it fits your needs. This reduces your risk significantly. Honest pros and cons. Let's be honest. Pros: beginner-friendly, no coding required, cloud-based access, growing AI SaaS category, and flexible use cases. Cons: requires effort and consistency, not an instant success solution, and works best when applied properly. No tool replaces action, but tools like this can support productivity. If you decide to get local AI through my link below, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus bundle, completely free. These bonuses are designed to help you maximize local AI. Bonus 1. Local AI. Client acquisition. Blueprint. Value $197. Free. Learn step-by-step methods to find local business clients, position AI services, approach potential clients, and build recurring income streams. This bonus helps you use local AI effectively. Bonus 2. AI Service Business Starter Kit. Value $197. Free. This includes ready-to-use AI service ideas, client outreach templates, service positioning framework, and beginner implementation guide. Perfect for beginners entering the AI SaaS space. Total bonus value 394. Free. So, is local AI worth it? If you're interested in AI tools, digital services, or working with local businesses, local AI is definitely worth exploring. It's beginner-friendly, cloud-based, and backed by a 30-day guarantee. And when you include my exclusive bonuses, the value becomes even stronger. Click the link in the description below. Check out local AI and claim your exclusive bonuses while they're available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.